This week on the Technology Report.
Here is the technology stocks report for the week ending August 30th, 2024. I'm Sarah Lee reporting from the New York Stock Exchange. The stock market had a mixed performance last week, with technology stocks facing some challenges. The Dow Jones Industrial Average reached an all-time high, closing at 41,335.05 points, up by 0.6%. The S&P 500 remained virtually unchanged, closing at 5,591.96 points. However, the Nasdaq Composite fell by 0.2%, closing at 17,516.43 points. NVIDIA's earnings report was a significant event. Despite impressive year-over-year revenue growth of 122% to $30 billion, the stock fell by 6.4% due to sky-high market expectations. This decline impacted other tech stocks, including QUALCOMM and Alpha and Omega Semiconductor, which fell by 1.4% and 1.6% respectively. Inflation and Fed rate decisions. Investors were keenly awaiting the release of the Personal Consumption Expenditure, PCE Index, the Fed's preferred inflation metric. The anticipation of this data influenced market sentiment, with a 67% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut in the upcoming Fed meeting. The Technology Select Sector, SPDR, XLK declined by 0.9%. The sector was weighed down by the performance of major tech stocks, particularly in the semiconductor space. Despite the overall decline, some chipmakers like Marvell Technology saw gains, with Marvell climbing 9.2% after meeting Wall Street's sales and profit targets. Weekly performance. S&P 500, up by 0.2% for the week. Dow Jones, increased by 0.9% for the week. Nasdaq, fell by 0.9% for the week. Overall, the technology sector faced a challenging week, primarily due to high expectations around earnings reports and the anticipation of inflation data. However, the broader market showed resilience, with the Dow Jones reaching new highs and the S&P 500 maintaining its position. That's the Technology Stocks Report for this week. I'm Sarah Lee, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.
That's it for this week's Technology Stocks Report. Remember, this is a snapshot of recent events, and the market can be volatile. Always consult professional financial advice before making investment decisions.